You've properly prepared, sorted, and bagged your recyclables and have put them to the curb on your recycling day. You might be wondering what happens to your recyclables from there. Who picks them up? Where do they go? And what are they made into? City of St. John's recycling collection trucks are in your neighborhood every second week to pick up your properly sorted recyclables. Papers go in one bag, containers in another, because these bags end up in different compartments on the recycling trucks. It may look like the bags are all just going into the truck, but inside there's a wall that keeps paper on one side and containers on the other. When they are full or finished collecting recyclables for the day, City of St. John's recycling trucks head to the Robin Hood Bay Waste Management Facility. All trucks bringing waste to Robin Hood Bay, whether recyclables or garbage, are weighed first. After they dump their waste, they are weighed again on the way out. This is how we know how much garbage and recycling is coming into Robin Hood Bay. After a recycling truck is weighed in, it heads to the recycling facility where the bags of recyclables are tipped out of the truck and deposited onto the tipping floor. From here, the bags are pushed onto the recyclables processing line by a front-end loader. Bags of recyclable containers are pushed onto one processing line, while bags of paper recyclables are pushed onto another. This is why you have to keep paper and containers in separate bags. They're processed separately. The bags of recyclables travel up a conveyor belt where they go into a machine called a bag breaker. You can guess what that does. This machine breaks bags open so that the recyclables inside of them fall onto the conveyor belt where they can be sorted. Workers then remove the broken blue bags and put them into a chute. That sends them to a machine that bales them together so that they can be recycled and made into new blue bags. Once the blue bags have been removed, the recyclables are sorted into different types. Some of this sorting is done by hand and some is done by machinery. Plastic containers, milk cartons, and juice cartons are sorted by hand into their various types. Steel cans, often referred to as tin cans, are picked up by a large magnet. Aluminum cans are separated from the rest of the recyclables by an eddy current machine, which creates an electrical charge that makes the cans pop off the end of the conveyor belt. Paper follows a very similar process, where cardboard, boxboard, and other papers are all sorted into their various types. When enough of one type of recyclables is collected, the recyclables are sent to a baling machine and baled. And when enough bales of one type of recyclables are made, they are loaded into a shipping container to be sent to a recycling market. Items that you put to the curb in blue bags are recycled into many different products. Aluminum cans are made into new aluminum. Steel cans are made into new steel cans or nails. Plastics are made into new plastic, carpet, or fleece. Paper is made into tissues. Newspapers, flyers, and magazines are made into kitty litter, insulation, and hydro seeding. As you can see, plenty of new items are made from the recyclables that we put to the curb. Let's do our part, St. John's, and recycle what we can, and help keep our city, province, country, and planet clean and green for years to come.